Hi, so today we're going to show you how to set up the class by showing you where all the computer setup, as well as showing you where to find the lessons, some of the keyboard shortcuts that you need to know, and how we power off the computer and close the class, okay? So here we got a box of computer as well as a box of mouse. So first of all, let's see. These computers right over here, as you can see, the way it looks like right now is the way you want to leave them afterwards when you close them up. There's a reason these computers set up that way because we have to charge. You guys have to charge them afterwards, so make sure everything, these ports are opening facing up. And also the mouse pad, it's always located on the back of all these computers for a reason, because it serves as a backing to protect the computer. So always make sure the mouse goes to the back, and then the computer here goes up. Does the port go up? And just make sure you don't do this or like flip that way. It does not work. It has to be facing up this way so that you guys can properly charge them afterwards, okay? So, and then this bag is out here, a bunch of mouse. And it's also as a pointer sticker for you to teach your class. So quickly, we're just gonna bring one set each to show you how it works. So this computer here, excuse me, and a mouse pad. So this computer, a few things you need to know on the back. There's a power button, charging section. And then these are the two ports that you can use either one to connecting the mouse right here. You can see either this one, okay, or this one. All right, so we're gonna leave it here. And then on the side, there is this two button, and this is only for the volume up and down. And the very one on the edge, this one right here, is your power button. All you have to do is scroll down to the left, and that's when the lights will turn on, and that's how you know the computer is turned on. So now what we're going to do is we're going to show you, we're going to just open it up like this, okay? And then on the side, when you scroll to the left, you see how the lights up? And then slowly, when you bring it back, you will see the screen turn on, and it will start loading. Perfect. And again, there's no password whatsoever. It will just go right into the main screen. All right, now we're gonna drop the computer for a second. You already connected the computer to the mouse. So the first thing you notice, there's a folder usually in the center of the screen. It says 2025 PewterBugs. It's always the PewterBug folder. So we're gonna click on that folder. And here it will be a whole bunch of lessons, okay? Different places, locations of where the PewterBugs would go. And then the very top one is the one that have the PDF lesson, PDF file. Now this is the very same one that you'll be seeing on the phone projector. It's just to give you an idea in the case that if your projector doesn't work, you can also use this computer to show the kids on the circle time to teach them. So watch. This PDF would be the very same one that you would normally see on the phone projector. Got it. And you can see if it goes up, it would be the exact same thing. Okay, the same lesson. All right. So just as a backup in case if your projector for some reason doesn't work, at least you can still do class by going into this PDF lessons. So we're gonna close it out and just keep going back. And the lessons are divided by the month. So if we are, for example, if we are February, this is February. So this will be the PDF lesson for the February, okay? And then go back out again to the main screen. This is where, based on the location, it's actually where the lesson would be, where the children would be doing the computer class. So say if they go to File Farm, there's a few lessons here. You can click on one of the lessons. And this is exactly where they will be going every time, okay? Now, kids don't know, but over time they will, but just know that in order to start a program, you have to always click on the go, okay? Like this, click. This is how we start the class. And another thing, and I'm gonna just turn off this real quick. When you press escape, you can zoom out a little bit and then just close this. Just know that you probably have to do a lesson to show the kiddos that their finger is always clicking on the sticker. Finger on a sticker in order to move around, okay? But that might be another separate video I would do. But meanwhile, just know that when you turn on one of these lessons for the kiddos, they have to click on go in order to run the class, okay? So that's that.